How to create a ribbon control in WPF application. First of all, create a WPF application. So we'll give this WPF app ribbon control demo. Create it. After creating WPF application, you can see here this we have a main window. So in this WPF application, we are going to add a ribbon control. So what is the ribbon control? So ribbon control is added in the .NET framework as an inbuilt control by Microsoft. So ribbon control is a root element which provides quick access toolbar, then tabs, and we can have some of the quick access menus as well. So if you try to add here directly inside a grid a ribbon control, so we'll not find that class of ribbon control directly here. For that, we need to add a library of a ribbon control. So to add library, go to a solution explorer, inside this references, add reference. So as I mentioned, this is inbuilt into the framework. So click on this assemblies framework and type here ribbon. So once you search with the ribbon, you will find this library with the namespace system.windows.controls.ribbon, and this is the windows.controls.ribbon.dll. Just add it here and click OK. So once added, you will find here this got added into the references, and then you can start typing here ribbon. So here it will appear as a ribbon control. So add as a ribbon control. Once added, you can see this design, this complete, this ribbon got added here. So as of now, in this demo, we will add one of the button here. So we'll see how this quickly we can add inside this ribbon. So provide this name to here ribbon. So inside this ribbon, we'll add one ribbon button as well. So as we have seen here, we can see in this Visual Studio, we have this save button, save all button. Even if you see in this Excel as well, we have this save button here. So similar to this Visual Studio, or we can say Excel, we'll add one save button here. So in this inside ribbon, we'll add a ribbon button. So ribbon button, this ribbon button which we are going to add. So you can see this some space has been created, something control or white space has been created because of this ribbon button we have added here. And just give a name some to this control and RB button. Okay, so just namesake. And for this ribbon button, what we are going to do, we are going to put one image like here. We have this save button image. To add image, we need to add that image into our solution. So we can add one folder as images here. So now similar to this one, I have one image with me. So I'll just refer that image here inside this one, add existing item. And at this project level, I have one image here to load. So here in the images, I have image source. So in the drop down, you can change to the file type as image, and this PNG image, I'm loading it. So if you want to add this to the project executables, that also property you can change to resource and copy always. You can change it from here. So it will be available there. So now if you see this button, that image source we have to change, either small image or larger image. You can change it larger image source. And where is this image? This image is inside this images, and here save image.png. You can see immediately got added here. Or if you don't want to type it manually, you can also drag and drop that path of image here. So and you can copy from here. You can see this got added here. So same path you can just copy and you can paste it here. If you don't want to type, that's also one more way to get this image. And then you can delete this whatever additional image source got added here. So that way you can avoid typo mistake. Image got added. You can just this height and width manage for this button size. So let's say height I'm giving here something around 35. So I can see this image easily here in this my design, and now put it into the runtime. So you can see runtime how it looks like. Now you can see here there are two binding errors here in this binding failures. You can see, you can click it here because we added this ribbon control, and now what it's asking, cannot find the resource relative source for this find ancestor type, and this is the ribbon window ancestor level 1. So these two binding failures, because here we need to change this window to the ribbon window because we are adding this ribbon into this window specifically. So we have to change this window to ribbon window. You can just start typing here ribbon window. So one binding failure will go off, And in the second here, in the code behind, we have, could be default code generated here, main window, and this got inherited from the window. This inherited window also we have to change it to the ribbon window. So here, ribbon window. This ribbon window is from system.windows.controls.ribbon. So this namespace will get added here. So you can see this namespace got added and this window also got added. So if you run again, so this time those two binding failures will not occur. You can see this binding failure gone here from here now.